Okay, in this lesson, we want to talk about the tools of the timeline. These are the tools of the timeline. And after that, I'm going to explain all of the settings. Okay, for example, I drag and drop a video here. And again, with this tool, you can play it. This tool is a play for all timeline. For example, if you insert another logo, you can see you can play at the all of the timeline. But if you select it, you can see you can move in here also. If you want, you can click on here and type any second that you want to jump in. These icons are moving to at the end and the first of these medias. And this is to moving frame by frame. One, you can see frame by frame, forward and backward. This is for zoom in or zoom out. You can click the plus or minus here. It's framed all of the timeline media in your screen. You can zoom in out. Okay, another tools of here is you can redo, undo anything that you want. Control Z actually. You can, for example, cut and then paste it anywhere that you want. Again, okay. Control V. Cut in here twice. It's cutting at the, it's pasting always at the track number 1. You can see these are tracks. With the scrolling mouse, you can add track. I say again, you can, with this click, you can add any track that you want. So if you cut, Control C, Control V, you can copy and paste lots of other. Control Z, you can see. You can select it and delete your media. Very easy. Control Z. You can right click, Control C, Control V, and you can see at the place of the display head, it's at the track number 1. It's pasted. I don't know why, but it's pasted. I want to paste exactly about that. For doing that, you can or right click on it. I will be explaining all of these right clicks and make it Control D. Control X cut, Control C copy, Control V paste, duplicates, Control V, it's duplicate above that. So Control, instead of Control C and Control V, click Control D to duplicate your media above that. It's better. Another thing is copy and paste. This is cut. You have to select your media that you want, and here you can Control C, Control V, paste it. This is a split. Click. You can see you can split your click and drag to select. You can see in this part split this media, but it does not change anything. Just split at that time. You can see if you play, you cannot see anything happen here. Just split it and you can in between them and do something. Split. Another interesting tool is frame. If you select it at this part, it's create a frame and extend it. You can see, boom. Where was that? Here. Oh, I duplicated twice. Again. Bring it there. And at this frame, click it. You can see it create. In this frame, it's create a frame on that. You can see. If you see, just in this is a still image. Okay. Again, for better seeing that, for example, I want to go in a TC logo and make it more. For example, at this time, I want to create a frame. I don't want to pass it and go, okay? At this time, exactly, I want to create a frame. Select your media to activate, because you can see nothing is selected. So all of these tools are deactivated. In this frame, all of these are active. I want to create a frame. Boom, click on that. it created a still image from that timeline, and you can see if you play, it does not happen anything because this still image is above this video. You can bring it there and you can see from that frame we have a still image, and you can place it anywhere that you want on your edit. After that, I explain all of the tools and settings. I will be do a lots of interesting project to you to understand better. For example, I will create this logo. I'll create all of this logo in Camtasia, and I'll be explaining it for you how to make that. So another tool to edit as a text is for narration things. For example, if you record something on recorder, it's going to audio it, and you can do it there. Another thing is display head. You can see we have a green and red. It means if you click and drag it here, and if you play it, you can see it just play in this region. If you want to play in this region, you can drag an area. And if you double click on this head, it's this range will be disappear, and you can play again. So again, in this direction, for example, if you want to just play this video, not going other, you can play it and play it. And you can see if you right click, we have lots of other settings that I will show you then later. Another tools of here is this. You can expand the timeline bigger or smaller with drag and drop this. Nice. If you want, you can go here and maximize or minimize your timeline here. If you right click, we have minimize and maximize. I will show you more. Okay, for example, we have some media, audio, image, anything in tracks. You can see with tracks. If you don't want to see that, disable the track with this. You can see that track is disabled, and you cannot do anything with that track. Disable that. This enable magnetic track. It's interesting. If you activate it, it's automatically snap. For example, if you disable that, if I insert image, you can see I just can put anywhere. But if I activate magnetic, if I drag and drop any image, it automatically snap at the end of other media. You can see it automatically a snap there. Maybe it's useful if you want. Another thing is a lock. It's completely lock it, and you can see that. Okay, you can see that image, but it's locked. You cannot work on it. But if you disable that, you cannot see that image. You can see it's disabled. It's I, and it means you cannot see your image. They are locked also, and you cannot see them. But if you lock it, you can see that images, but you cannot work on it. It's locked. And okay, that's it. These are timeline tools.